my portfolio finally reached a 5-figure value. Hello everyone, my name is Dividend Dashboard, and in this video, we will go over my full dividend stock portfolio, see its performance, my holdings, its value, and how much it's paying me in dividends. Starting with the holdings of my portfolio, reading them clockwise, we got Apple, Colgate, Coca-Cola, Realty Income, Stag Industrial, Procter & Gamble, Corning, Waste Management, Clorox, AT&T, Kroger, Archer Daniel Midlands, Kimberly-Clark, 3M, Starbucks, JP Morgan Chase, Home Depot, Johnson & Johnson, Nike, and Digital Realty Trust. My 3 biggest holdings will be JP Morgan, Starbucks, and AT&T. I started buying JP Morgan last year at a good entry and it has gone up in value. The same for Starbucks. I initiated my position when they were having temporary international problems and union disputes. Then the stock recovered and the position got bigger. For AT&T, it's a different story. When Warner Media spun off, I immediately sold the shares of Warner Media and put all of it into AT&T to quote-unquote recover the dividend income loss from my portfolio. Since AT&T is a low beta stock, that it takes a while for the allocation to go down. Also, for clarification, I haven't bought AT&T in a long time. I've been focusing on smaller holdings and dollar cost average into bigger positions when needed. But overall, those are my 20 holdings, and I'm liking the progress and direction that my portfolio is heading. Now we have the sector allocation so we can appreciate the extra layer of diversification in my portfolio. We got consumer cyclical 18%, consumer defensive 24%, financials with 7.5%, healthcare with 3%, industrial with 10%, real estate with 14%, technology 10%, and communication services with 9%. Going to my portfolio value and its performance, portfolio is worth $10,417.49 with a dividend yield of 3.25%, which translates to a projected annual dividend of $322.42. Portfolio performance versus the S&P 500. 2023 just started, so there's a slight difference between the date range. As the year goes on, we will see how it turns out, but overall both my portfolio and the S&P are in the green for this year. Annual dividend per holding. This is the amount that each company pays me yearly in dividends. We can see AT&T and its huge payout, but we have some companies slowly catching up, like Realty Income, 3M, Starbucks, and JP Morgan. By the end of this year, the gap between payouts will decrease as I continue to deposit and buy more of these companies. Average cost versus capital gain or loss. In blue, we have my average cost of my position, and in gray, we have the capital gain or loss. All of my holdings are in the green, except for AT&T and 3M, which I'm not buying right now because I believe I can allocate my money in better value position. I will be working in a better way to present this graph, as it could be confusing with the numbers on the left. If we focus on the columns only, we see that companies like Apple, Starbucks, and JP Morgan are carrying some of the massive gains, while others like J&J, Clorox, Corning, and Procter & Gamble are remaining flat. In the total return chart, we can see the percentage of my investments. As mentioned, I only have AT&T and 3M in the red, but the rest are bringing some massive gains. Apple brought a little over 20%, Coca-Cola around 28%, Starbucks 30%, and Nike around 35%. I can't complain. The portfolio is doing well for the circumstances that the market is going. I will continue to deposit weekly into this portfolio, reinvest dividends, and looking for new positions to add. The next update will be when I reach 15,000, so stay tuned. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I actually respond to everyone. Doubts, concerns, or feedback is appreciated. Take care and till next time.